For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India is gearing up to receive a brand new Boeing 777-300ER Air India One, which will be used to fly VVIPs including the Prime Minister, President and the Vice President of India. The new plane will be equipped with the most sophisticated technology, military defense systems and a reconfigured cabin. The reconfigured cabin includes large aircraft infrared countermeasures and self-protection suites. The plane will also feature advanced electronic warfare suites which will be helpful in protecting the aircraft from any kind of an attack from surface to air. The plane will be manufactured at Boeing's facility in Dallas, Texas, USA. The aircraft will cost India $190 million, approximately 1,400 crore rupees. The Boeing 777-300ER will feature twin GE90-115 engines, a variant of the engine made for the 300ER, which will allow the plane to fly at 900 km per hour. The aircraft features large aircraft infrared countermeasures and self-protection suites. These systems will protect the aircraft in case of an unfortunate event of it suffering damage in the air. The planes will feature advanced electronic warfare suites. This feature enables the plane to not only fend off an attack but also take countermeasures in case of an attack. The new Air India One 777 is likely modeled after the US Air Force One. But how does India's new premier VVIP escort aircraft feature against the aircraft of the US, Russia and China? Here is a comparison. Air Force One is the most famous aircraft. The 8 lakh pound Flying Fortress is the escort of the President of the United States of America. The features of Air Force One are custom made. Air Force One has a number of secure communication channels including satellites. The aircraft security systems are prepared to protect from standard attacks as well as any unusual occurrences such as targeted electromagnetic impulses. The aircraft is also equipped with a medical suite that acts as a fully functional operating system. The estimated cost of the aircraft is believed to be somewhere around $1 billion. Russian President Vladimir Putin is a former KGB operative and is known for his heightened security covers. Putin's escort IL-96-300PU boasts a large number of features. Putin's official aircraft is covered by Russian Aerospace Forces Special Squad, which consists of 68 aeroplanes. The aircraft has its own jamming, disorienting radars and anti-aircraft defense system. There are 4 identical aircrafts in total to hide the aircraft in which Putin is flying. The aircraft's body has a special coating that makes the plane less visible to radar cross-section. While it is hard to estimate the price of this humongous aircraft, according to reports, the aircraft's estimated cost is around $60 million. The Chinese President Xi Jinping is not far behind. President Jinping's Boeing 747-400s are vetted by massive security features. The leader of the People's Republic of China uses 2 Boeing 747-400s belonging to Air China Airlines for his government visits and business trips. Unlike his colleagues who have multiple aeroplanes, President Xi Jinping does not own a personal aircraft. The estimated cost of Xi Jinping's aircraft is around $250 million. The Boeing 777-300ER is a massive booster to India as a VVIP escort with its new heightened capabilities.